woke up, I found her, that's all I know.
Again?
I woke up, I found her, that's all I know. I woke up, I found her, that's all I know. I killed her.
What?
I killed her, it was me. I got her back up.
Jesse, look at me. Look at me. You didn't kill anybody.
I loved her.
Nothing. I'm sorry.
What if Skylar had seen her? What then? What was the plan then, genius? Huh?
I don't know.
You don't know. You know why you don't know? Because you don't think. That's why. You are just a drug addict. You are a pathetic junkie. Too stupid to understand and follow simple, rudimentary instructions. It's just a misunderstanding.
No. I don't know what's wrong with me, Mr. White. I don't know how I could be so stupid.
Stop that now. Come on. Come on.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. Listen to me. What happened for the best. Do you hear me? And I wouldn't change a thing. I was there. And I watched her die. I watched her overdose and choke to death. I could have saved her. But I didn't.